Hey guys, it's Crabjoy, and what we're doing today, as usual, or some stuff, a little violent. Just kidding, nah. Well, in today's episode, we're gonna do some regular eating, and I also got Bob here. Hey, it's Bob. Don't worry, I'm not that kind of Bob from Bob's Burgers. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we'll see you later, Bob. Well, today I am going to eat this. Guess what's inside? Dare you to guess. You got 5 seconds to guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! And I wait. Alright. What the heck is this? It's a turkey inside of a hot dog bread. Who eats turkey and puts it in a hot dog bread? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Actually, I made this. Yeah. So, I like to create some foods, blah blah blah, blah blah, and other stuff like that. So, yeah. Turkey. But I like to experiment, guys. I'm not like, oh, there. Cheetos. Alright. Yeah. Come on. Just kidding. Bob, where are you? Oh, it's here. What? Can you fetch me the mango Arizona? I'll be back. Alright then. Here you go. And I'll also be drinking this Arizona mango. It may be the same, it may be not. Who knows? It could be like the Man to Do video that I made. Ba-bam! Ba-bam! Which wonders? Will this revolutionize hot dogs? Or eating turkeys on a sandwich? I don't know. That's why I'm putting some chips on it. Yeah. I give you the heavenly sandwich of Hold on. The heavenly sandwich of Cheetos. Corn turkey. Corn hot dog. Wonder how it tastes. Ah. Hmm. It's actually great. Test for this one. Hey, this thing is hot. It's much sweeter than usual. Alright. I don't know what to do. Just kidding. As you know, guys, Halloween is coming! And since Halloween is close to my birthday, ha 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 ha. Yeah. So since Halloween is close to my birthday, and since sometimes I can't get costumes, come on people, we can't all get them cool hot Halloween costumes, and we have to make our own. Also props, stuff like that, all the usual stuff. But I am manufactured this kind of kebab gun. I call it kebab gun because it's easy to make. I use one of those water squirters. Yeah, they are, and a pen. So it looks like one of those heat signature, like. I'm gonna kill you. And I also used some old shoelace. So I look like one of those Terminators. look like this. Get ready for war. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, papaya. I'll be back with something else that's really different. Or maybe not. I don't really know. Some things in this world are really weird. Yes, weird. Pew pew, pew pew, pew pew. Sorry, Bob, that I shot you. You should have done this. Hello, YouTube fans. I am Bob. It may look like something weird, but it's always different in here. So don't judge me! Don't judge me! Don't judge me! Yeah. I never thought this video would be this short, but whole recognition or some stuff. Who know my real name asked that I do some shoutouts. Now I said, but I agreed to it since, if I ever needed to use, if I didn't have that, if the video was too short, okay, too short. Alright, here's some shoutouts from my friends. Of course, I don't have the technology to write them in, so I'm just gonna say them by myself. Or you can just never mind. Alright, I would like to shout out Osman and a friend of mine, Angel H. I got S Sniper Woes. I got Triple X Gamer, Lil X Scum, and Ravini, and La Denise. Yeah. So yeah, those are the other YouTubers that wanted me to say them out loud in my videos because they're funny and that kind of stuff. They do think that it was gonna air on Friday, but I'm gonna surprise them that it's gonna be on a Thursday. I know what you say, but it's on a Thursday. Thursday. Wait, no. I got a better idea. I'll be back with more episodes tomorrow, Friday. Bye.